Hello everyone, my name is Suzanne and I'm a Qkids teacher and I have been for over 3 years. Today I want to talk about my favorite props and how I use them to take a good lesson and make it into a great lesson. When I get to the intermediate levels, again, I can look at the country and I will say, after I ask where they live, I will say, and where do you think I live? And before I show the map, I will get some guesses. Sometimes they'll say, Australia, the UK, Canada, and if they hit on America, I'll say, yes, I live in the United States of America. And I'll show them, hey, I live in the state of Maine. I live in the north. And so we can talk about this a little, and I can say, there are 50 states. Do you know some? Sometimes they do, and if they say like, oh, New York, I'll say, yes, New York is here in pink. It's a state and a city at the very bottom. I can point out Washington, D.C., maybe California, and I can help them to understand what some of the other states are. And sometimes they'll say, I've been to California, so we can have a little conversation here. I will then pull out the world map and say, look, here I am and here you are. And also in the intermediate level, we work with animals, African animals. So here we have Africa. I'll point out Africa. There are some lessons that talk about the UK. There are some that talk about Australia. So we can point this out, and I think seeing the entire world makes it a little more easy for them to understand spatially where everything is. Then, of course, with the advanced levels, that's when you can really have some fun. They're starting to really understand. There are many lessons about, for example, level 10 artists. So I might point out Europe, France, Spain for Claude Monet or Francisco Goya, some of the other famous artists that are covered. There are also lessons on astronomers, Greek and Roman myths. I can point out, Greece and Italy, and I can bring it in closer so they can see it. So there are lots of ways that you can use these to enhance the lesson. So this is how I use maps. I use them to try to take a good lesson and make it into a great lesson. So I hope that helps you get some ideas. I would love to hear how you use props and what you do with them. So leave me a comment and follow the Qkids channel for more ideas on ways to be a great teacher and ways to use props and other great inspiring ideas. Thanks for watching.